Thank you for having me. I'm Kelley here at the Pool Room in Franklin, Tennessee. So this is one of my personal kits from my personal collection of kits I have. It's a DW Collector's Kit, and it's a kind of special kit to me. As a kid, I never thought I would own a Highline kit, and this is the highest of Highline. It is actually made metal-wise. It's a 24 karat gold and brass melted together metal, so it's not just plated, but it's actually bound and fused together. So it has a certificate of authenticity and all that good stuff. So, but it's a great kit. DW Collector Series, we're playing an 8-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch, and 16-inch. There's a 14 to the kit. We may include that in the pack, we'll see. So currently having double ply heads on it, DW's stock logo head. And it was just fun playing this kit, man. It just sings well, and to be honest with you, I haven't touched this kit in about 15 years or more. So it's been a real joy to play it again. As Randy explained, the miking on top and bottom being the Audio-Technica and the Sennheiser on the bottom. And so once again, it's a beautiful kit. Pisces, of course, did their thing with our cymbals. So playing some modern Essential 602s for a crash there. Also giant beat cymbals and their crash ride. So I have the ride, that's a crash ride 20-inch here, 18 back there, 10-inch dark energy crash, 10-inch dark energy splash. So we have that splash there, and the 15-inch hi-hats are giant beat as well. Once again, kind of went for a different sound this time, and we have a few different cymbals that will be included in the pack. These are just some of them, as well as I have my own specific stack. It is a 18-inch Swiss crash. It's of the Alpha line from Pisces, and under it is a 14-inch thin China, which is a 20 series. Unfortunately, you can't get that because it's discontinued, but you can look on eBay and get different places and find it. But yeah, so a great setup. The current snare right now that we played just for the sake of demonstration, and of course it being a wonderful snare drum, it's the Tama snare drum. It's an SLP model. Some people say our good friend Sputsy Wright plays it. They see him with it and everything happening. It's a 10-inch by 14 inches. So once again, 10 inches deep, 14 inches around. It is birch. Great sound, great ballad snare, great auxiliary snare. Fits on legs, of course, with the tom legs happening over there. So again, great snare drums. So we have many snare drums, many drums. There's at least 3 or 4 kits that will be included in this pack, so you gotta get it. Once again, DW Collector Series with the reinforcement rings inside of it, maple kit, and Pisces cymbals. This particular Tama snare drum right now, we've had DW snares, we've had Pearl, and stay tuned, we have more coming at you.